I'm back again with another beat today. I'm going to be making a Dallas trap beat. It's a G beat to G. I'm back now in my house studio. I will start making my Dallas trap beat today. That's the beat I'm going to be making today. The Dallas trap beat. Now, my favorite tempo is always 130 BPM. So, I'm going to be making a Dallas trap beat today, and it's going to be a hardcore, a really nice beat with good melodies and good bars. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio by right clicking and press open. Now it's loading. Very soon my FL Studio open. It's loading. It's loading. Now it's open. That's it. I'm going to use today Harmless again for my plugin. That's it. I'm going to use Harmless today for my plugin. Now I'm going to left click, turn the mouse wheel upright to channel 5, and this is my mixer here, and this is channel 5. Now this is my channel rack. I'm going to click here and select my preset. I'm going to select here my preset that sounds very good. First of all, good. Now I'll right click, start programming my Dallas melodies. Now I'm going to add a Fruity Reverb too. Now I'm going to add a Fruity Parametric EQ2. I'm going to right click and press piano roll and modify the note. I'm going to press Ctrl A . And pick now my second melodies. I'm going to pick Kepler, my second melodies. I'm just going to left click, turn the mouse wheel up to channel 6. Then I'll right click now on piano roll. Good. That's it. Now I'm going to program my hi-hat like this. I'm going to press Control A. And add the sound organizer and put it to B. Now I'm going to right click, open piano roll, start programming my snare. Now I'm going to start programming my kick like this. I'm just going to right click and press piano roll. Now I'm going to boss it by clicking back on the kick, and this is my boss button here. I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to left click, hold the mouse wheel, just turn the boss up, and that's the main source. I'm going to bring up the kick, turn the master channel volume right up. Now I'm going to just swap left and right like this. This is my mouse cursor here. I'm just going to press it here, and press it here. Now I'm just going to right click now and press speak by channel. I'm bringing in my kick. I'm going to bring in my hi-hats because I've already programmed everything. I'm just bringing in my instruments like this. When bringing it, I'm just going to click on the instrument and click on the playlist like this. Click on my instrument and click on my playlist to bring it in. Now I'm just going to left click, highlight it to the left, Control and B, and copy it to make it longer. Now I'm going to create a space and intro and outro. My outro. I'm going to remove the hi-hat here and I'm going to remove the snare here. Now I'm going to right click and click on create automation. Right click and create automation. Now I'm going to spice it up by adding my hi-hats. Automation on the simple melody by clicking and create automation clip. listening to my full Dallas trap beat. This is the outro and this is the intro. The last trap beat is very nice. Oh, I'm feeling the Dallas trap beat very nice. Make sure you subscribe. Tell me how you are feeling the beat on the comment section below, so when I drop new videos you'll get notified instantly. Outro. Thank you for watching. See you next time in Ziken Beat